You won't believe how these 3 things will change your home and make it cozy. Hi, my name is Michaela and I'm applying to be your new cozy bestie. We're talking about creating a cozy space that's non-negotiable. I'm not talking going out and buying new things, even though if you do, I'm not judging you. I also really want a makeover. But I'm talking more about taking the space that you have and turning it into something that you love and that you cherish and making it intentional. I truly think that's the word for the year, intentional. We're talking about designating spaces, setting cutoff times, and talking about how your home is your sanctuary. So let's get into it. Firstly, let's talk about designating spaces. When you designate a space for certain things and certain activities, it helps your home feel more intentional, less cluttered, and every space feels like it has a purpose. For me, it creates mental clarity, which is so important. One amazing way to keep the clutter down is by designating spaces. So for an example, you can have a reading nook with a cozy chair, cozy blankets, a warm light, and a basket for books. Or you could have a designated workspace that keeps all of your work essentials. You can also just have like a cozy little coffee nook space where you literally just sip coffee and talk to your loved ones. So how does this keep the clutter down? If you have a cozy reading corner or chair, you know that that space is for reading and journaling only. So I'm not taking my laptop over there. I'm not taking my phone over there. I'm not taking work over there. That's strictly cozy vibes only. If you have a workspace and keeping it clean and tidy, you know that you're not having your books there or craft there. It's literally just for you to be able to get work done. So that keeps that mental clarity there. Another intentional space in my house is actually my bedroom. When my husband and I moved, we decided not to bring any work into our bedroom. So we don't have laptops, iPads. I personally don't even keep my phone in there at night during the week. When I wake up in the morning, the first thing I want to do is scroll. So instead of doing that, I leave my phone on my desk and then I wake up and I'm able to have a clear mind of doing something else first. I don't know about you, but when my space is cluttered, my mind is also cluttered. So having designated spaces for designated things helps keep that in place, keeps everything where it's supposed to be, including my mind. Next, we're talking about setting cutoff times. This one's a little bit more difficult because sometimes we actually love doing certain things or we love doing certain tasks that are actually therapeutic for us. But having times where you cut off work, where you cut off tasks, and even when you cut off social media can really help your home feel more cozy. It'll make your home more intentional about spending time with the people that are in it. It will also help you be able to do those things that you love to do, such as watch your favorite TV show or color or read a book, and you don't feel like this guilt of my kitchen's dirty or my living room needs to be cleaned. You have this balance. For example, my job is social media. I love social media. I've said this before. I don't have any issue with it. I think that it is one of our greatest tools in this day and age, but social media can be a lot. It's just this endless scroll of content. There's always something to learn. There's always something to post. There's always something to like or comment on. And there needs to come a time where your phone just gets cut off. iPhone, you're able to set a sleep mode and it'll basically turn off all notifications. So I don't get any social media notifications. I don't get texts unless it's from my mom or my husband. And that's usually because those are 2 people that I don't mind talking to after 10 p.m. And it would be an emergency if they're texting me after 10 p.m. But I shut my phone off so that way I'm not tempted to continue to scroll. And that's not the last thing going into my brain before I go to sleep. Maybe you're somebody that works 9 to 5 and you can't clean your house during the day. So instead of taking one night to clean your entire house or taking all day Saturday to clean your house, you clean one room a day. You come home, you're home by 5:30, you make your dinner, it's 7:30. You give yourself 30 minutes and say, I'm done cleaning by 8. So I'm gonna clean my living room. The next day, deep clean my bedroom and start my laundry. The next day, I'm going to clean my bathroom. Whatever it is, you set this time and you know by 8 p.m. you're done. So you can do your fun, recreational things that you want to do to kind of wind down for the night. I find cleaning my house truly very therapeutic, but when it gets late and the time comes for me to just want to wind down, read a book, watch a show, color, My cleaning can wait till tomorrow. If you don't know where to start, I suggest setting a timer on your phone, whether that's 10 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, whatever. You set the timer on your phone and you clean as much as you can. And as soon as the timer goes off, you stop everything. Drop everything. Don't touch another piece of laundry, and see how far you've gotten in that 2 hours. If you feel like you can keep going and you're fine, go for it. But I would suggest just stopping. Drop everything. Lastly, let's talk about your sanctuary. I was watching this apartment tour here on YouTube, and this girl renovated her entire apartment, like countertops and everything. And she talked about how she got comments asking why she wasted her money. She doesn't own it. She won't live there forever. And this one thing that she said stuck with me forever. But she said that she believed that everybody deserved to love the home that they're in, no matter what it is. Ever since I heard that, any place that I've had to stay in, any place that I've lived in, I've made it a home. So no matter where I live, my home will be cozy. You will be able to cuddle up in a blanket on my couch or in a chair or even on the floor and feel the cozy vibes. I spent a total of $100 on my living room. Between my couch, between my chair, between my rug, and between my coffee table, I got some stuff for free. I got some stuff on Facebook Marketplace. The reason I'm telling you this is because you don't need a lot of money to make a cozy space. It's really just taking what you have and turning it into something intentional. The chair in the back, you can see, and you've probably seen many times before, that was a chair off of Facebook Marketplace. It's not my first choice in look of chair, but it's cozy, it's comfortable, and there's an intention behind that chair. And so I don't feel any need to hurry up and try to get rid of it. If I find one that works better, that honestly looks like this, that's super expensive. If I get this chair, that chair will go. But for right now, that chair is staying. And the things in my apartment that just make it mine and make it feel like a home are my cozy fireplace. This is an electric fireplace, so you flip a switch, it turns on. It literally is frozen right now, but I keep it on most days, all the time. It doesn't even let off heat. It's literally just for the illusion of having a fireplace, and I love it. It makes my house cozy. Another thing that is in my home that makes it mine are the Funko Pops. My brother and sister-in-law got these for me and my husband for Christmas, and they're so cute. I absolutely love them, and it's just a little bit of personality. And then I have my sign that says "How you doing?" from the Friends TV series, and that just adds like personality. It adds like a signature to my home and it makes it mine. But then I also add plants and baskets and things like that to kind of keep it neutral. That way there's not too much going on, but that's just me. I want you to remember that your home is for you. I know it gets a little hard, especially for me being in the social media world and loving interior design. I get influenced every single day to want to buy the newest and best thing. And maybe one day I'll have the newest and best thing, but for right now, my home is so cozy and it's mine and it's me, and I made it for me and not for everybody else. You're the one that rests in your home. You're the one that recharges in your home, and you're the one that sleeps in your home. So why not make it for you? So by doing these 3 things, your home will feel clutter-free. It will feel intentional. It will feel cozy, and it will feel like the sanctuary it's meant to be. Before I go, I wanted to let you guys know I did change my posting schedule from Friday to Sunday, so you can start your week out every single week, super cozy and intentional. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It lets me and YouTube know that you like this type of content, and it will continue to show you this type of content, and will also let me know if I should keep making this type of content or if I should just move on. So with all of that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay cozy, and I will see you in the next one.